How to turn off OneDrive backup. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to turn off the backup on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to turn off the backup, tap onto your profile icon at the top left corner right here. Select it. Then here you can find the camera is backing up. Now tap onto settings right here. Select it. Then here you can find camera backup. Select it. Now to turn it off, simply tap onto this button right here. Select it. Just like this. And by doing this, your backup will be turned off. And that's it. This is how you can turn off OneDrive backup. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.